Good morning, students. Yes, friends. First of all, today's class is, I think, 10 to 15 minutes late due to some network issue. Okay, students. So now I'm starting from. Uh, Now I'm starting our lecture. We are starting exercise 2.2. Yes, students. In previous lecture, we'll discuss few questions of exercise 2.2. I think last only 2 questions are pending in this exercise. Yes, friends. So our second last question is, that is question number 14. Our second last question is question number 14. Now question number 14 is, a vendor supplies 72 liter of milk to a student's hostel in the morning and 28 liter of milk in the evening every day. If the milk cost is rupees 39 per liter, now how much money is due to the vendor per day? Yes, friends. Now we'll write milk supply in morning. In morning, a vendor supplies 72 liter of milk. Yes, friends, in morning, a vendor supplies 72 liter of milk, and in evening he supplies 28 liter. In he supplies 28 liter of milk. Now, total supply in one day is, now we add 72 plus 28, 8 plus 2 is 10. Now 7 plus 8. Now, so it means a vendor daily supply 100 liter milk. Now cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 39. Now find the cost of 100 liter of milk. Cost of 100 liter milk is 39 into 100. So we have 3,900. So daily the money is 3,900 rupees. Clear, students? So this is second last question of exercise 2.2. Clear, students? Next is question number 15. Now question number 15. In question 15 we have true and false statements. First statement, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, if sorry students, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, then at least one of them will be 0. Yes, friends, if product of two whole numbers is 0, then it is necessary at least one of them, at least one of these two whole numbers, one will be 0. So this statement is true. This statement is true. Next is second statement. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, if the product of two whole numbers is 1, So it means when we multiply two whole numbers, then answer is 1. Then each of them must be equal to 1. So this statement is also true. Because students, when we multiply 1 by 1, then we result 1 as then we obtain result 1. According to your statement, if the product of two whole numbers is 1, then each of them must be equal to 1. This statement is true because when we multiply 1 by 1, then we get result 1. So it is necessary to each number must be equal to 1. Next is third. Third is, if A and B are whole numbers, if A and B, these are two whole numbers, such A is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. Then A, B may be 0. No, beta. No, this is false. If A and B are two whole numbers, A is not equal to 0, B is equal to 0. If and are numbers, then product of may be 0. No, it may be. This is wrong. This statement is now last question number 16. Replace the star to each of this statement. Question number 16. Yes, students, your 16th question is replace star your first part is 356. 356. Then this space is blank. Then 6. Then fill this space, and your answer is first is 9. Yes, students. Now think which number will subtract to get 9. First of all, we will borrow 1. 1 is 16. Now, which number we will subtract from 16 to get 9? Yes, students, nothing. Which number we subtract from 16 to get 9? Yes, students, if we subtract 7, from 16, now 16 minus 7, then we obtain result 9. Here is 4. Now borrow 1. 1. Now 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. So write here 8. 8. Now here's 2. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. So right statement is 356 minus 267. Then we obtain result 089. Dear students, Yes, friends. 16th question, second part. Now number is 650. Now this space is blank. Next is blank 0, again blank 5. Operation is subtraction. Now answer we get is 5 7. 5 7 space then 4. Yes, friends. Now think by which number we will subtract 5 to get result as a 7. Yes, friends, when we subtract 5 from 12, when we subtract 5 from 12, then we get result 0. So write here 2 and we will borrow it, convert into 12. Here we have 9. Now students, 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. Now here we have 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So write here 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. When we will borrow 5 convert into 4. Now friends, 4 minus 0 is 4. 5, sorry, 6. 4 minus 0 is 4. Now 6 minus 2, then we get 4. So write here 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So statement we will obtain 6,500 to 2,045. Now subtract, then we get result 4,457. Clear, students? Now last part of question number 16, third part. Now we have 1 7 0 0, then space, then 4. Next is 8 blank 4, then 7. And our operation is subtraction. Blank 6 6 8, then yes, friends. First is here we write 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Yes, friends. Now here think why which number will subtract 4? Which number will subtract 4 to get 6? 6. So here we write 1. When we borrow, it comes to 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Clear, students? Next is 0. 9. Now 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Then we add 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Again here 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now here 6. We'll borrow 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. So our numbers are 1, 8 and 7. Clear, students? Yes, friends, this is the last question of exercise 2.2. Now I'm starting exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Yes, friends, your first question of exercise 2.3 is exercise 2.3. Your first question is using shorter method. Using shorter method, find shorter method, find first question, first part, find 3246 plus 9999. Yes, friends, using shorter method, add 3246 plus 9999. Yes, students. In first step, we will write 9990 as. First number we'll write as it is. 3246. Then plus. Now write 9999 as 10,000 minus 1. Write this number as 10,000 minus 1. Yes, friends, when we subtract 1 from 10,000, we will get same number 9,999. Yes, friends. So write this number as 10,000 minus 1. Now, in first step, add these two numbers. 10,000 plus 3,246. Add this number and this number. You get 13,246. 10,000 plus 3,246. In first step, students, add these two numbers. Clear? Then subtract 1. Then get 13,245. So students, your answer is 13,245. So this is the shorter method to solve this. Clear, students? First, we'll write this number 9,999 as 10,000 minus 1. 10,000 minus 1 number is 9,999. Then in first step, add these two numbers. 10,000 plus 3,246. Then we get 13,000 246. Then and then second step, minus 1. 13,246 minus 1 is 13,245. Clear, friends? Yes, friends. Today your homework is complete exercise 2.2 in your fair notebooks. Yes, friends. Today your homework is complete exercise 2.2 in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.